Hello, namaste. Welcome to Flying Skies One. How are you all doing? Hope you're all good. Thank you for all your support. Thank you so much. Today we'll see this Dmart store. This is an online store. You can get all kinds of daily essentials and grocery, and many more categories are available. You can check out. Recently, I have made some purchases on Dmart. This is the best store I have ever shopped, I can see, because you have got great deals here. You've got best bargains. 1 rupee products are also available. You can check out. They'll appear on the home screen of your app. You've got half store price as well, as shown in the picture. You have to just log in like any other apps. I'll provide the link in the description box. You can use that and log in, and thereafter you can go for shopping whatever products you want. You have to just add to the cart as shown in the picture, and minimum order is 500 rupees. Coming to delivery, you've got home delivery, but 50 rupees would be charged. If at all you go for pickup, you'll be charged nothing. And you have pickup points of Dmart as well. You can go check out and give your slot while placing the order. Now after you add all the products to cart, you can give your address, click on proceed to checkout, and make payment using online modes or cash on delivery, whichever you want. Now you can place your order. That's it, you got to do. As you see in the picture, these are some of the items we have ordered online on Dmart. I've put the order details. You can see here I got Choco Pie for 9 rupees and thumbs up for 1 rupee. So how good are these deals, right? So other products also have got it for less prices. So you can check out. Without any delay, we'll see how the products are. So how is the Dmart store products? Did you like? Let me know in the comment section and do subscribe Flying Skies One for more offers, pretty deals and videos. Thanks for watching. Keep smiling. Have a good day.